Assalamualaikum and hello. Today I would like to teach you guys on how to make your own travel brochure. First thing, you are going to go to the blank presentation and change the size of this slide. This slide is for presentations size. So you go to the design, slide size, custom the slide size, and this is where you got an option for letter paper, HG paper, A4 paper, and banner. So you're going to go to A4 paper and show fit. The second step, I'm going to insert three rectangle for our base brochure. Change the color to anything that you like and make it to no outline. And I want you guys to change the white size to 3.61, I'm sorry, and duplicate this to fit all the entire white space. To duplicate this, just use Ctrl D. One and another one. As for this third rectangle, take this to 3.62. After this, change the colors. So we need to make it like this. Okay. The third step, insert another rectangle for our bottom part, like this, and make it to this blue ocean pastel and make it no outline. As for this, we are going to evaluate the design to more interesting points. So guys can go to the edit points. This is where you can make it more structure. So guys there's a lot of design, so I'm going to move this downwards and add another point around here. Add another point around here. And move it upwards. And the design that we can use is like this. This is the corner point, straight point, and smooth one. As for smooth one, they are going to be looking like this. Yes. As for this one, I'm going to make it like corner point, so make it like this. After you've done this part, duplicate this design to another one and change the color to this person. Okay, like this, and edit points and move it downwards. So we got a little bit texture. We got the yellow and the blue colors, and this one is matched with downwards like this. Alright, and this. After this, I want you guys to duplicate this using Ctrl D and change it to another colors like this way, and we are going to merge this with the behind objects. So how we're going to do is left click and shift this one and this one and merge it to the fragments. Okay, so we got this section here, we're going to delete. So we got this option right here. So this is the part that we want. Put it like this. So I want you guys to do the same at these points. Ctrl D, change it to another color. It's more softer than this. I think this one should be right. Place it right here and left shift this one, and we are going to merge it to the fragment. So we're going to looking like this. So this part we're going to delete. So we got two type, and here you can change the color to the soft side. Okay, like this. Okay, so as for the top one, I want to fill in a picture. So you can right click and go to the format shape. This one, there's a lot of options, so I'm going to the picture. So, but if I pick this picture, it's going to be used in this part. I want it to be used in these three particulars rectangle. So what we're going to do is we are going to merge these three cells. So how we are going to, let me see. Okay. So we are going to do is left shift this one, this one, this one. So we are going to right click and make it a group like this. Okay, so we put here a picture, and yes, this is the picture that I took earlier. If you guys want to insert another picture, you can use this insert option. There is three: from a file, from your computer, from a stock image, or online picture. So this, so I'm going to use this. If you guys you can edit this one to the offset left to make it clear, and to make it offset top, making it like this, it will be nicer. I think I'm going to change this color to another things like this. Okay. After this, I'm going to show you the function about these three things. So this one, I'm going to make it to solid fill. Solid fill is where you can have a lot of colors right there. And for the outline, I'm not going to use the outline. I'm going to use it soon. For this part, we can go to the pattern fill. There's a lot of option right here like this. I'm going to use this one. As for this is, we can use the gradient fill. Gradient fill is something that we not combine the two types of color clearly. So it's going to be looking like this. But we can change the colors right here. So we're going to make it like this. Like this one is right here, this one is like that. Yep, it's going to be looking like this. So after this, we are going to insert a new oval, new shape for our brochure. Draw it like this. Okay, as for the outline, you can go and change it to blacks, and there's the options where you can, this is different to the thin to the thicker. So I think I'll take the thicker one and change the color inside here to this one. Okay, for this oval shape, I'm going to use a picture inside here. So I'm going to insert, I'm going to use an online image. So as for travel brochure, I'm going to use the snorkeling. So I'm going to take this face and insert here, and we are going to edit it using the offset top. Make it fully right here. Okay. You can also change the color of the outline if you doesn't want. Okay. After that, I'm going to Control D to this and this one. Okay, right here. Okay, now we are going to insert a text box for our like this. This one we're going to do about us. So this design, you can change it to another slides. This is a lot of font that we can use. I would like to use Arial Blacks. This one is for bold. This one is for italic. This one is for the underline. And this part is for lowercase, uppercase, and sentences. I would like to use the uppercase, and this one is for the alphabets. After that, I'm going to make a text box around here. This option, there are a lot of things that you can use for shape effects, shadows, and do like this. This also, there's a style here, so you can use like this. Okay, I'm going to type anything because will be just a draft, and I will show you guys the final result soon. As for these pictures, I'm going to insert an online image. So we're going to choose page food right here. Use this image. This is how it will turn out, and edit it. This time I will use the shape as a bullet points to make it more interesting. Let's change the colors and Control N. This thing I'm going to insert a text box here. As for contact, this will be shared. So I think I will finish this design, and I will show you guys at the end. So you guys, that's how you make your own travel brochure. I would like to thank you guys for staying in my video. Please subscribe and like and share. Do leave some question for me in the comment section. Thank you very much.